Okay, question number 12, you've got to show that k equals 4 plus 3j over 5 minus j can be rearranged to j equals 5k minus 4 over 3 plus k. Now that sounds quite confusing and looks quite confusing to start off with, but there's a nice few steps you can go through that are quite intuitive, that will you'll know you've got the right answer. It's nice to have this when you've got these questions. It says you can rearrange it to this because that's what you're aiming for, and if you didn't get that, you can give it another go. All right. So this question, let's start off with by writing it out. K equals 4 plus 3j over 5 minus j. The problem is I've got a j on the top of this fraction and a j on the bottom of this fraction. So I'm going to need j on its own in the end. That's what you can see here. So we're making j the subject of this formula. The way to do that, the first thing to do is multiply both sides of this formula by 5 minus j. And to do that, you would put k and then brackets 5 minus j, because that means k multiplied by 5 minus j, equals, and if you've multiplied this side by 5 minus j, it's disappeared from this side, it doesn't exist there anymore. So you've got 4 plus 3j on this side, and that looks a little bit nicer already. What we're going to need to do though, is we're going to need to multiply out this bracket, so that we're going to get 5k minus kj, and that equals 4 plus 3j. That means we can now take this minus kj and add it to this side. That is getting all of our j's on the same side. That was the point of doing this, multiplying out the bracket. So we had a term that we could then add to this side and this side. So it would make it disappear from this side and appear on this side. So I'm going to write down 5k is equal to 4 plus 3j plus kj. Okay, now all the j's are on the same side. That's a good thing, but we've got this 4 we need to get rid of, so let's take it away from this side and take it away from this side. So 5k minus 4 is equal to 3j plus kj. And you can see here that we're going to end up with j being on this side of our formula, not on the other side of the formula that it looks like, but that doesn't matter at all. It's not a problem. We are doing exactly the right thing, and we're going to need to factorize this expression in order to get j on its own outside of a bracket. So, and that's possible to do because each term has got a j in it. We're going to go j and then 3 plus k, close the bracket, and on that side we've still got 5k minus 4. And then we're going to divide both sides by, because the opposite of multiplying is dividing, this expression, 3 plus k, to leave j on its own. So j stays over here. We've got 5k minus 4 over 3 plus k. Looking at what we wanted it to be, it's exactly what it should be.